there, I'm Kathy from the library. I have a rhyme today about eggs and chickens. 5 eggs and 5 eggs, that makes 10. Sitting on top is Mother Hen. Cackle, 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 what do I see? 10 yellow chickens, as fluffy as can be. And we can play the same rhyme using our fingers. Can you show me 5? Good job. 5 eggs and 5 eggs, that makes 10. Show me 10. Sitting on top is Mother Hen. Cackle, 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 what do I see? 10 yellow chickens, as fluffy as can be. One more time. Show me 5. 5 eggs and 5 eggs, that makes 10. Sitting on top is Mother Hen. Cackle, 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 what do I see? 10 yellow chickens, as fluffy as can be. Good. And here's a little rhyme, another little rhyme about a chicken. Can you hide behind your hands? Chicken in the egg is oh so still. Will he come out? Yes, he will. Play again. Chicken in the egg is oh so still. Will he come out? Ready? Yes, he will. And we can play it crouching down. I'm going to make a little egg for myself. I'm hiding inside. Chicken in the egg is oh so still. Will he come out? Yes, he will. And one more way to play is with a scarf. Or if you don't have a scarf, you can play with your hands, or you can crouch down and get ready to jump up. Just bunch it up small. Chicken in the egg is oh so still. Will he come out? Yes, he will. Good job. Good. And a song that you know is The Wheels on the Bus, and then we'll share some animals on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. We have some. Oh, let's start with chickens. Yeah, chickens. The chickens on the bus go peep, 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 peep. The chickens on the bus go peep, 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 all through the town. And I think you've met my frog friends before. The frogs on the bus go glub, 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 glub. The frogs on the bus go glub, 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 all through the town. Just lie you down. And you know this animal? A mouse? Squeak, squeak. The mouse on the bus goes squeak, 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 squeak. The mouse on the bus goes squeak, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Great, and thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye. See you next time.